Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to withdraw money from Telegram wallet Space. So if you also want to withdraw money from Telegram wallet Space, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Telegram wallet. So what you have to do is open Telegram application. You can see over here Telegram is opened. Over here you'll be able to see the option for wallet. All you have to do is tap on it. Now at the bottom left corner, you'll be able to see the option for wallet. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here your Telegram wallet will be opened. So if you want to withdraw money from Telegram wallet Space, all you have to do is tap on the Space option that you can see right over here. After that, tap on the swap option. Now tap on OK option that you can see right over here. Right now I do not have any ton, so I am not being able to withdraw money. But there's another way to simply go back. Now tap on the P2P Market option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, buy and sell. All you have to do is tap on the sell option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see several options like method, verification, currency, crypto over here. All you have to do is tap on the crypto option. Now here you'll be able to see several cryptos. Tap on the option ton. Now you'll be able to see the tons over here. Identify the ton that you want to sell. Now tap on the sell option right next to that ton. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sell the ton. Now enter the amount that you want to sell. You'll also be able to see the available balance over here. You'll also have to add the payment method. Simply tap on the add option that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to add the payment method. You can also see the limits over here. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. After that you'll be able to withdraw the money from Telegram wallet Space. So that is how you withdraw money from Telegram wallet Space. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.